everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make carrot, peas and potato together. I have 4 carrots. I peeled it, washed it, 1 cup sweet peas, 2 potatoes peeled. I put it in the water so they don't get discolored. 1 onion, 1 green chili, ginger, about 2 teaspoons, and spices from masala dabba. I'm going to use the mandolin slicer. So we are done cutting the vegetable. So let's start cooking our vegetarian dish. Start gas. Get a fry pan. Add olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Make sure that the bottom is nicely coated. 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Mix it. Cook it for 10 seconds and this is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. And we're going to cook onion until they get translucent. Keep it moving. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Add ginger and green chili. Mix it well. So we're going to cook green chili, ginger along with onion. So keep it moving so it won't get burned. Another minute of cooking green chili and ginger with onion. I'll bring spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon. Mix it well and we're going to cook the spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking our spices for 1 minute. I'll bring carrots, add sweet peas and potatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Spread it evenly. Cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes on a medium gas. I'm going to open the lid. Mix it. If we check the carrots, they are still firm, and same thing with the potatoes. So they need more cooking. So once you spread it evenly, bring your gas to low, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and I'm going to stir it. Exactly 10 minutes cooking on low gas. After 5 minutes, I did open it and stir it once. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it. Our dish is all ready. If you see, the potatoes are nicely tender. And same thing with the carrots. They're fully cooked. I get my serving kadai and I'm going to dish out. Look at very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. So easy to make and it's super delicious. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe, carrot, sweet peas and potato, Matar Gajar Aloo Sabzi. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.